Imagine pouring $20 million into a brand new factory and watching it lose money on day one. Sounds crazy, right? What if I told you it's real? It happens to 8 out of 10 new plants before they even ship their first order. Stick around, because today I'm sharing with you the 10 hidden mistakes that quietly destroy profits and exactly how to stop them in their tracks. First trap: building too much, too soon. Picture this. You design a line that can crank out 1 million widgets a year because what if we get that huge order? 6 months later, half the machines sit idle, rusting, while you're still paying interest on the loan. That's called over-engineering, and it's a profit vampire. The fix? Start with what I call minimum viable production. Run at 60 to 70% of your dream capacity. Only scale up after 3 straight months of 85% utilization. Your bank account will thank you. Next, the invisible time thief, changeovers. You schedule a 15-minute switch between products, but add setup, testing, cleanup, boom, 45 minutes gone. Do that 10 times a week and you've lost an entire 8-hour shift. That's real money. Use a trick from Toyota called SMED. Single-minute exchange of die. Film every changeover, cut every unnecessary step, and aim for under 10 minutes within 6 months. Your machines will thank you, and so will your wallet. So ask yourself, how many hours are you losing without even noticing? Comment below. Mistake number 3: hiring resumes instead of teammates. You pay top dollar for a 20-year veteran who knows every trick, except how to share them. They resist your new software, hoard knowledge, and your young stars quit in frustration. Instead, hire for curiosity and grit. Pair every new face with a 90-day knowledge transfer contract from the old guard. Culture beats credentials every time. Number 4, treating inventory like a security blanket. You stockpile raw materials just in case a supplier flakes. Suddenly, you've got $1 million tied up in steel that's gathering dust and paying 15% carrying costs every year. Switch to a pull system called Kanban. Keep less than 14 days of raw material on hand and let your suppliers manage the rest through vendor-managed inventory. Cash flow stays free and obsolescence nightmares disappear. 5th silent killer: ignoring the electric bill. A 100,000 square foot plant can burn 50 grand a month on lights and air conditioning nobody tracks. Install submeters on every major line, measure kilowatt hours per widget, and watch the numbers drop 5% every quarter. Swap to LED lights and variable speed motors in year 1. Your ROI hits in under 12 months. 6th mistake: dropping $300,000 on an ERP system and using it like a fancy Excel sheet. Data lives in silos. Errors creep in. Decisions lag. Appoint one full-time ERP champion for the first year. Force every schedule, quality check, and maintenance ticket through the system. No paper, no exceptions. Suddenly, you see problems before they become catastrophes. Final trap: celebrating on-time delivery while profits evaporate. You rush orders, pay overtime, expedite freight, and eat 30% of your margin just to look good on a report. Track one magic number instead: overall equipment effectiveness, OEE. If it's below 70% by month 3, freeze new customers until you hit 80. Happy clients love consistent quality more than rushed junk. Here's one almost every new factory ignores: starting production without standard work. Everyone has their own best way, and chaos becomes culture. That chaos? It's expensive. It creates defects, bottlenecks, tribal knowledge, and finger-pointing. Lock down standard work early. Document each critical task, record videos, and train to one method. You can't improve a process that doesn't exist. Another silent killer? buying automation before your process is even stable. Robots don't fix broken processes. They automate the chaos. And when chaos runs fast, it fails faster. Build capability first. Fix variation. Prove consistency. Then automate what is stable, predictable, and backed by data. That's how you get ROI instead of regret. And finally, leaders who make decisions from the conference room instead of the shop floor. Dashboards and reports hide the truth. Walk the floor every day. Watch the flow. Talk to operators. Learn the bottlenecks firsthand. Leadership presence is the cheapest and most effective productivity tool you'll ever deploy. Factories don't lose money because of big disasters. They lose money through small leaks that go unnoticed for months. Fix these 10 mistakes and you'll build a plant that prints profit instead of consuming it. Print the checklist, tape it to your control room, and check off every box in your first 90 days. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for weekly business hacks, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's keep those profits rolling.